By the end of this, your Discord server will have a storefront, invoices, a ticket desk, and anti-nuke security, all from one free bot. Let's set it up. Step 1. Go to noxyrbot.com and hit Add to Discord. Pick the server you want and authorize it. Noxyr needs administrator, so it can create panels and manage roles. Step 2. Back on the site, click Log in with Discord. The dashboard only lists guilds where you actually have administrator, so pick yours and you land on the overview.
Step 3. Before you touch a single module, pick a template: Aurora, Midnight, Ember, Mono, or Neon. Every module restyles to match, so do this first and you'll never redo it.
Step 4. Open Welcome and Leave, choose a channel, and write your greeting. Embeds, images, buttons, and placeholders are all supported. Then turn on Verify and pick the role a single button press hands out.
Step 5. The ticket desk. Build a panel, buttons, or a dropdown for multiple categories. Set your staff roles, set your log channel, and turn transcripts on. Now staff can claim a ticket, request close with a reason, and every conversation is archived.
Step 6. Under Ticket Tools, flip on AI Help. Add your FAQs and autoresponders, set auto-close rules, and blacklist the repeat offenders. The first reply drafts itself. Staff still gets the final say. Step 7. Your storefront. Create categories, then products. Name, price, stock, custom price lines. USD is the base, with live INR and EUR conversion. Publish your terms of service, and members browse the whole thing with /catalog.
Step 8. Upload your server logo and set an invoice prefix. Now, /invoice renders a branded invoice image backed up to your server. Vouchers sit next door: percentage or flat amount, max uses, expiry date.
Step 9. Let members check their own records. /check-invoice and /check-voucher are public commands. No admin tools exposed, and results stay locked to the server they were issued in. Step 10. The rest of the desk. Applications for staff recruitment. Rosters with voice channel timers. Reviews you approve before they publish. Giveaways with entry requirements. Turn on the ones you'll actually use. Step 11, and save this one for last. Security shifts off by default. Turn on anti-spam, then anti-nuke, and add your trusted users and roles before you leave the page, or you will lock yourself out.
Step 12. Run /ping. If MongoDB, Redis, and the WebSocket all come back green, the bot is reading your config live, and your dashboard shows the same uptime, memory, and latency.
That's a full server. Storefront, invoices, tickets, applications, security, free with no paid plan. Open the control panel at noxyrbot.com.